how do I install an i9-14900K on an AMD B550 motherboard? Well, this is going to take a little bit of time, but hear me out. Well, I don't exactly have the same parts that you're recommending in the suggestion, but I do have this. So I'm going to take that and that and that and some of those and do what you requested. First, you have to prepare your motherboard by cleaning it. So take it out of your case, completely disassemble it, and we're going to go clean it. Depending upon how dirty your internet history is, depends on how long you have to leave it soak in cold water. So, as you'll see, we'll drop it in, let it soak. Probably about an hour is good. Once you've let it soak for an hour, grab a dirty toilet bowl brush and just give it a good, good scrubbing. You want to get down into everywhere and just make sure it's, scrubbed, and then rinse it off. Once you've rinsed it off, get yourself a heat gun and make sure you dry it off, because moisture and motherboards don't get along. You need to prepare the socket. So in my case, I'm going to use some wood glue here. I'm going to put it all over the place. Make sure you get everywhere if you can. Go ahead and just rub it in. It'll be fine. Make sure you got it there. You're going to take your processor and just, set it on the slot. That's what the wood glue is for. It'll conduct electricity. Now, while that's curing, you need to put your CPU cooler fan on. So we're going to put some more on here. We're going to put the cooler fan on. We're going to let it set and dry. But you need to put a little bit of pressure to it. So let me show you how to do that. This is going to be a little bit harder for me to do one-handed because I'm recording, but you're going to get some zip ties. You're going to go down through the hole, up through the other one. There you go. Like I said, doing this one-handed is kind of hard. And then you just zip tie it together. Let me show you what it looks like. You got it all secured with zip ties. Just let it sit so the glue cures. Like I said, I used wood glue. I mean, that's just perfect for this type of a job. And you just let it sit, and then once you're all done, just hook it all up. So yeah, if you're going to be sarcastic in a comment, leave an indicator that you're being sarcastic. As you kind of found out as the people in the comments were leaving, you can't take an Intel processor and put it onto an AMD board. It doesn't work like that. So basically, the video I presented is complete crap. Don't do any of that because that's just absolutely wrong. It wouldn't work by submerging it in cold water. It's just, and then the heat gun, zip ties, no, not to hold your CPU fan on.